Steel is a multi-purpose alloy with multiple traditional applications. Various types of steels are differentiated keeping toughness in mind. Jominy End Quench Test is a standard technique where steel's hardenability is measured. This test manifests the ability of the steel to be hardened in depth by quenching. First, the cylindrical specimen is heated. Second, the heated specimen is placed in the machine. The water fountain beneath cools the specimen from one end, simulating the effect of quenching a steel component in water. When water touches the specimen from beneath, the heated part instantly cools, moving upwards. The variation during this process is measured up to certain limit. This measured data depicts the hardness of steel. We will learn more about mechanical testing this month. Until then, stay connected and follow our social media channels for more updates.